So now in the case of geochemical analysis, we can talk about two different cases. The first one is the geological exploration. Typical geological surveys. These are large campaigns where many samples are collected and sent to a main laboratory that is going to measure, analyze these various samples. And then a panoramic elemental analysis is needed. These samples are totally unknown, and we want to measure up to 35 elements or sometimes more, typically 9 majors, 26 minor and trace elements. And then obviously the sample preparation will be press pellet preparation in order to detect the trace elements at best. Then the second case we can talk about is the control of a mining or a quarry site. In that case, the minerals that needs to be measured, analyzed, are mostly known. We know why we are digging in that mine. We know what we are looking for. And then the list of elements is much smaller, from 10 to 18 elements, for example, sometimes a bit more. But what is important here is the throughput. Depending on the site, it can be quite a lot of samples per day. Also, the elemental analysis will be tailored for the mine that we are trying to control. And obviously, the uptime is very important for the spectrometers and all also the preparation machines. Reliability is very important in these cases due to the number of samples and the speed of analysis that we need. The mine needs the answer about the performance, what is the concentrations they are getting, and as well for the finished product that are shipped. So in these cases, either press pellets can be prepared in order to detect the traces at best, or a fuse beads preparation in case the most important is the accuracy on the majors and minors, which is the case, for example, in typical iron ores mining. In both cases, an ARLX is suitable, thanks to the fact it is capable of accommodating both full goniometer that will bring the flexibility of analysis and also different fixed channels. And obviously the application with dual goniometer will be very, very interesting for the first case, for the geological exploration, because that will double the throughput of analysis.